Thank you very much, Miss MC. Minamahal kong Mr. Remio Bitong, punong guro ng paaralan, Sir Barrientos, Assistant Principal, Ginoong Albert Basa, Dr. Madonna San Jose, Miss Myra Silvestre at mga kasama sa Batch 96, mga kasamang namumuno sa MAXMA, Alumni Association, mga dating guro at kasalukuyang guro at kawani ng MAXMA, mga alumni, mga panauhin, mga kaibigan, isang mapagpalang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa pong napakalaking karangalan at kagalakan na makapiling kayo sa gabing ito. Sa pagtayo ko po rito, kinakatawan ko po ang lahat po ng MCST na bubuhay at yumauna na naging kamanlalakbay ninyo sa inang paaralan sa ilang panahon. To name a few, Sister Irene Villasin, Sister Melba de Ocampo, Sister Jovita Alcausin, Sister Alicia Carbon, and many others. They have had so many beautiful stories about Mount Carmel, Maria Aurora, and their former students. Saint Therese says, everything is grace. Today, we share one great grace. Your alumni homecoming, which for me literally means pag-uwi, pagbabalik tahanan, ay napakalaking biyaya. Mount Carmel High School Maria, now MAXMA, is your common home. For all of you, for sometimes. Isang lugar na punong-puno ng magaganda at maaaring hindi rin magagandang karanasan at alaala na tumatak sa inyong buong pagkatao. Isang lugar kung saan hindi mabibilang na biyaya ang inihugos mula sa kabutihan, sa kumpasyon ng Diyos, sa pamamagitan ng mga taong hinirang upang maging daluyan ng kanyang mga biyaya sa iba't ibang kaganapan. Ang inyong mga naging tagahubog, ang inyong mga naging guro, at lahat ng naglingkod sa inyo. Sa lugar na ito, unting-unting sumilang, nagkahugis ang inyong mga pangarap. May luha, may ngiti, may halakhakan. Kung saan nabuo ang inyong gintong pamana na halos hindi ninyo namalayan. Today, you gather to recollect, reconnect, and reminisce the past while you're strengthening your existing ties and maybe for some to make up for the lost chances. Whatever reasons we have, all reasons will redound to only one, to collectively praise and thank God for all the graces you receive and will still receive because of the gintong pamana. As we do, we remember the people who joined forces to establish this school in 1953. The interested parents, the Carmelite fathers, and the concerned citizens of Maria Aurora. To them, we are deeply indebted. Mount Carmel was a concrete expression of God's compassion and mercy through the instrumentality of the Catholic Church, specifically the Carmelite order. Long before the government thought of providing public secondary school, Mount Carmel has been serving the people in this area. A school which adheres to Christian formation plus quality education equals Christ-centered Carmelians. This is exactly the Gintong Pamana. It is of the past, but still very much alive in you. The values of Christ embedded in the Gintong Pamana still rule over your thoughts, your words and deeds, embracing all the spheres of your life. And I remember specifically the student catechists who served the Sambayanan unselfishly. And I think some of them are here. My dear Carmelians, now more than ever, you have become the guardian, not just receivers of the Gintong Pamana. In a world and time so marred by corruption, deceit, rapid pace of environment degradation and destruction, fake news, and moral degradation, it is imperative that you remain steadfast in your Carmelian faith, holding on to that Gintong Pamana of your alma mater, which is parallel with the content of the Code of Citizenship and Ethics of the great son of Aurora Province, President Quezon. Ngayon, kung kailan ang tama ay itinuturing na mali at ang mali ay pinipilit na ginagawang tama at kalakaran, mga minamahal kong Carmelian, mahigpit ang pangangailangang panindigan at bigyang pagpapatuo ang pagpapahalagang bumubuo sa ipinagmamalaki nating Gintong Pamana. My dear Carmelians, you have to remain to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world, engulfed by darkness. Dalangin po ng inyong lingkod na kayo'y makahalintulad ng mga ngalakal na binabanggit sa Ebanghelyo na nakatagpo ng perlas sa Gintong Pamana at ng matalinong taong nagtayo ng bahay sa ibabaw ng bato. Walang duda, walang pag-aalinlangan, makikilala po kayo ng mundo. Hindi nyo na kailangang isigaw na kayo ay Carmelian, na kayo ay mga tapat, nakatiwalang Carmelian, nag-iingat, nagsasabuhay, nagpapalaganap ng Gintong Pamana dahil sa inyong bunga. It is my fervent hope and prayer you'll have more homecoming to attend. May Our Lady of Mount Carmel ever keep you in her maternal mantle. Magandang gabi pong muli at mabuhay pong kayong lahat. Once a Carmelian, always a Carmelian.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sister Leonarda Mentilla, ang isa sa pinakamamahal at tumatakbo na MCST sister po dito sa Mount Carmel. Marami pong salamat for that very, very heartfelt and wonderful speech. Ayan, mukhang dumadami na po tayo. Very good.